This morning I woke up with this notification and I was so happy. Thank you guys so much. 500 subscribers. I mean, I didn't think it was going to come this quick, but I appreciate you all for commenting and giving me your feedback and liking the videos, watching the content, coming back for more. All that stuff helps. Thank you so much. Today I wanted to bring you back to my very first video that I ever posted on YouTube. It was the Avata 2 torture test. Today, it's not going to be a torture test, but I've been flying analog FPV, DJI, like the 04 wide, 04 light, 04, all the 04s. I've been flying some custom builds and I've been flying some bind-in flies. I really wanted to see how it feels to jump back to the old reliable, the Avata 2, and see if this is actually meant for FPV, because I have felt what real FPV feels like. And I say real FPV because although this thing has buttery smooth image stabilization and clean flights, like you barely even have to put this through gyroflow, there are some problems here and there. When coming out of a sharp turn, these motors lose lift very quickly and it's very abrupt. And I've crashed multiple times when this happens. It basically yanks the drone sideways, and if you don't recover in time, you're going to hit the ground. I'm gonna try to avoid that today. I took off the prop guards just so it's a good representation of what you're actually gonna get flying this thing. I haven't flown this in a very long time. Maybe a year, maybe less than that, but it has been a while. So I'm gonna really get a good, well-rounded understanding of like, okay, is this good? Does it fly right? How does it come out of dives? You know, that type of stuff. So this is gonna be really fun. I'm excited to give this another try because the camera is very good. So yeah, let's go do it. All right, finally made it to Warner Park. I've flown here a couple times. The only thing is I had to come really early or else there was gonna be a shit ton of people here, and I'm trying to avoid that, especially with this drone because I don't know how it's gonna behave. I have a lot of open area here, so I'm gonna test the waters and see if it's gonna do that little flip thing. And that's the only thing I'm worried about with this drone is the little wobble and the loss of lift, I guess you could say. All right, I'm gonna send it up. Before I do anything, I just wanna kind of fly moderately fast, but just kind of get the pace of it. Okay, it feels pretty quick for barely being on the throttle. So yeah, turns like that really scare me because I just don't know. I kind of want to see if I can make it happen. Here, I could try. Okay, that actually handled it pretty well, I'm pretty sure. Oh, if you see a little bit of jitteriness, it's because I usually run my sticks with like an extender, and I do not know where it is because I do not fly this. I definitely should though. Oh, what was that? I think flying with a really tightly tuned quad and then going to this, you do notice like the camera is definitely better, but the flight performance is like a little to be desired, I guess. Okay, someone right there, trying to avoid people. It's not as loud as I remember though. Just sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Okay. This is actually a pretty good spot. I have to come early. See how there's nobody here? Oh shit, oh shit. Okay, oh shit, there's a dog. Fuck. Okay, where am I? I gotta find where I'm at. I need to lose that dog. Okay, here we go. I'm actually kind of impressed. This is a lot better than I thought it was gonna go. And it's a Li-ion battery, so you know, it's gonna keep going. I could just keep running this all day. I only brought 2 batteries with me because I already knew that. I'm used to 3-minute flights, 5-minute flights. Oh shit. Oh, he's still on me, god damn. Okay, I think I'm gonna land and let him go home because I don't know. Shit, this might be a bad idea, but I'm gonna land it and just see what he does. All right, let's see. I think he's going back. Yeah. Okay, there we go. I can't forget, like I don't want to get too comfortable and then get stuck in a tree because of that wobble, but I know I have video of it. I just need to be careful. I think what this drone is really good for, oh my God. Yeah, let me leave him alone. What this drone is really good for is forward, definitely going forward. Like, I mean, I haven't had any problems yet, but yeah, I don't want to chance it. But for what I'm doing now, this is actually really good. And I do not remember the camera looking this good either. Okay, I think I see the owner. I think she's coming. Damn. There is definitely a difference from the 04 Lite and this. Or maybe it could be the, yeah, no, I was gonna say maybe it's the goggles, but I just realized they're the same ones that I use. I think there's a dog on my leg. Something just touched me. What is that? Is that a dog? Fuck, I just felt something. What the hell? Maybe I dropped something. I'm gonna just let that go. I don't know what it was. Okay, let's go a little bit quick. Next battery, I do want to see top speed. Oh, there's someone right there. Wow. I kind of miss this. Like, just camera quality alone. And this is just straight out of the goggles. I'm not even seeing the actual DVR or onboard recording. Wow, yeah, they did a lot with this park. It looks really good now. Well, I think there's someone sleeping in there. Let me stay away. I'm happy. I'm really happy with this. It's not as loud as I thought, and it flies a lot better than I remember. Whew. Hell yeah. It's there's a lot of fine tuning that you really can't do. You can't connect this to Betaflight, so other than you know, just like the rudimentary rates, this is what you get. Oh, that was close. I wonder if this thing can trippy spin. I doubt it. Nope. Okay. I think it's time I let this battery take a break. I went home, charged it up to 100%. I waited till sunset, came back to this spot. I'm gonna do a building dive. You guys have seen this spot before, but it's really fun, so let's get it started. All right, let's get it going before the sun goes down. Okay. Oh my God. It takes a lot for this thing to take off. Ooh, that is loud. Man, that kind of wasn't fun, I'm not gonna lie. It was really loud and just not a lot of power at all. Yeah, okay, I hear it now. Let's try again. Oh, these building dives are looking sad. Okay, let's go again. I really want a good one. There we go. That was solid. See? Oh, that wobble right there was not me. That one actually wasn't that bad. I've seen way worse. Yeah, this Avata is fighting for its life right now. Whew. In between the trees is a bad idea. Oh my God. Oh, that was so nice. It has its moments. I keep going back and forth on it. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm stuck. I'm stuck in between. It flies really good sometimes, and then it just lets me down other times. I just wish it had a little bit more power. Okay. Why not? I think it's a healthy trade-off of battery life and overall speed. This is not a lipo, so it just can't dump that much energy all at once, but it can sustain all that energy for a long time. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna get up out of here in a few because I never got kicked out of this spot and I definitely don't want to today. And that was a really bad example of the flip. Sometimes it's worse than that, but yeah, that was a pretty bad one. I think that's gonna do it though. I think you guys get the gist, and so do I, before I make this even worse and crash. A video with no crashes, that's been a long time. Haven't had that in a really long time. Okay, let's put it down. I think I'm good. Well, damn, I think I honestly had this drone on the shelf too long. I wasn't expecting such a good performance. I think the speed is where I'm mainly wanting more. It's kind of obvious. Personally, when I focus on speed and trying to get the fastest drone possible, I'm gonna get some pretty fast drones out of that process. So jumping from those to this, there's gonna be a little bit of a difference. I'm gonna be able to tell that it's not climbing as quick as some of the other drones I've tested, or it's not getting as high out of a full throttle punch as I would want. But it does not mean that this thing is trash by any means. The camera, perfect, damn near one of the best cameras that I've tested. I mean, the 04 Pro, I would have to do a side by side. They're basically the same camera, but I don't know, there's something about this that just looks so good. And the battery life, I mean, come on, it's probably up there with the 6S. 5-inch, you know, those batteries feel like they never die. This is the same thing, especially if you're cruising. I mean, it'll last all day with this. I think there's something really fun and nostalgic about picking up a drone that you haven't flown in a long time, that's just been sitting on the shelf or in your closet. If you guys got a drone collecting dust, let me know in the comments what you guys got. And I think that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.